Alright, folks. Well, as you can see the 56 car right there sitting on a chassis. But, and I got a new set of tires to go along with it. Got a set of DE Racing modifieds. These are AKAs. The wishbone. And then, let's see if I can't pull it right fast. J Concepts barcodes. I got them on some fancy wheels. And then I got a set of Proline modified tires, the B mods from Proline. Got them back there in the back. As you can see, I got the 56 body right there. But here's a kicker for y'all. You think this is my regular chassis? Check that out. The original 56 running the buggy tires. This is my original chassis. But you're probably thinking to yourself, how? Well, my dad's letting me use his chassis. Now, if you're wondering about the Rustler, I've almost got it back together. I got to get me another clutch eliminator, a steering servo for it. But as you can tell, everything else is pretty much put back together. I'm gonna get me a new body for it. I just got. Good night. I didn't even notice that. I'll tell you what, my dad is rough on bodies. Look at that. He is rough on bodies. This is a brand new body. Let my dad use it one time and he's already destroyed it. But I'm gonna